Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a quick and easy snack of caramel apple nachos. These nachos are super simple and there's not a chip in sight. So this is the perfect after school snack. Let's get started. So to start your caramel apple nachos, you're going to need apples, and I like to use a variety of apples. So you can use a Fuji apple or a Honeycrisp apple or even a Granny Smith apple. So I like to use a little bit of red and green just for the color. And basically what we're gonna do is make the apple slices the nachos. So we're gonna spread it all out onto this board and then top it with all different kinds of toppings. So the easiest way to cut your apples is to take a washed and dried apple, and I'm gonna use an apple cutter. You can cut these by hand if you want, but I just like to use this because it's super easy and quick. All right, and then just push all your slices out. And to keep your apples from browning, you can do one of two things. So you can dip them in a solution of about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to about 4 tablespoons of water, or you can do 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey with 2 or 3 tablespoons of water and dip them in the honey. I prefer the honey to water mixture over the lemon because the lemon kind of gives it a little bit of bitterness, a little bit of tartness, and the honey adds to the sweetness of the apple. But the enzymes in the honey keep it from browning. I'm gonna do about 3 red apples and 3 green apples. Now that you have your apples all sliced, and even if they're not perfectly symmetrical, it is okay, because we're gonna cover them up with all kinds of goodness over here. And you don't have to use everything I used here. I have a cream cheese fruit dip. It's just cream cheese and marshmallow fluff and a little bit of vanilla, and you can get the recipe on the Suburban Soapbox or check out my YouTube video for the cream cheese fruit dip. And then I also have a little bit of this caramel dip and some dried cranberries and pecans and granola. So you can arrange these like nicely around the board, or you can just kind of like place them however you want. I usually like to do like red, green, like around the board, just so they look a little nicer. But because I have a lot of pieces that are not the same size, it might not really work, but we'll see. Okay, next we're gonna drizzle on a little bit of the fruit dip and then the caramel sauce. And to do that, I'm going to put it inside a pastry bag. So you just snip off the end and then squeeze it all over and make it like squiggles and beautiful, and make sure they're all coated. This is like the sour cream for your nachos. Like if you were gonna have real nachos, I wanted something white for like sour cream. And that is this. Now I'm going to sprinkle tomatoes, which is dried cranberries. You can use dried cherries as well. You're just gonna sprinkle them all over the top. And now we're just gonna add some chopped nuts. You can use walnuts or pecans. If you need it nut-free, you can use sunflower seeds. We love chopped pecans with our apples. And last but not least, I have granola. You don't need to use granola if you don't want. Dried coconut flakes would be awesome as well. We've used sprinkles, lots and lots of sprinkles before. But this is our caramel apple nachos. And that's it. That's how easy that is. So, so simple to do. Take a bite. That is the perfect healthy treat. Crisp apples with caramel sauce and that fruit dip. It's simply amazing. And again, it's so easy to make your own. Get the kids involved. They love to help too. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.